the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love.
The camera's back. Oh my god, I missed you. It's been like, what, like 2.5 months? Anyways, let's go home. Put an SD card in her. Tee-hee. Hey guys. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. And if you have seen my face before, you may or may not know. If you watched my Jamaica vlog, you know that my camera broke. So I have been out of a camera for like 2 months now, and I just went and picked it up on Friday. Today's Sunday, by the way. So my camera's back. I haven't filmed in so long. This feels so foreign. I'm excited to be filming again. It's currently 9:47 a.m. I probably woke up at like 7:30, but I've kind of just been chilling in my bed, honestly. But I just gotta brush my teeth, and we're about to put on some skincare. I actually ended up getting my first ever PR, by the way, but some PR from Good Molecules. All the products are here that they gave me, but also I think they made a mistake because they sent me 2 packages. And I was like, wait, they sent me more products? But then when I opened it, it's the exact same products that they already sent me. So it's the exact same products that they already sent me. This box is just cuter. Like, look at this. Take that off, and here are the products. So they sent me their lightweight daily moisturizer, their niacinamide brightening toner, a discoloration correcting serum, and lastly their overnight exfoliating treatment. But yeah, let's get into this skincare real quick. But skincare is finished. If you guys watched my last YouTube video, you would have saw that I cut my hair. I have a bob now. Yesterday, I actually washed my hair and started interlocking it. The rest of my hair is done. This little section is the only thing I did not complete yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna have to do that today. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, these are the pictures I posted of my hair. Like, it was so cute. Like, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. Honestly, that was my last post, and that was on June 11th, so I don't post a lot on Instagram anymore. But maybe if you guys go over there and follow me, I'll start posting. I post on my stories. I try to stay active on my stories since I don't actually post in feed. Then you get like a lifetime updates. If I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm probably posting on TikTok. Oh my goodness. Literally, the blinds being open just made me so hot.
Yeah, on the radar 2023, 6GOD and my broski 2C, you know what it is, some madness and badness, combination, yeah, hey, grr.
I just finished my hair. I did wash it yesterday, but I did not oil it because I wanted to finish it before I oiled it. And my brother's coming over later to barbecue, but the propane in our barbecue is out, so I have to take that to Canadian Tire and get some more propane, which I really don't want to do. I don't feel like leaving my house right now. But yeah, that's on the agenda. We're gonna be using some Blue Magic, and then for my scalp, we're gonna be using the Our Nappy Roots Growth Drops. Our Nappy Roots is actually a small business that offers natural and mobile hair care products. They saw when I posted my TikTok of me cutting my hair, and they were nice enough to give me some products. So I got their hair growth drops and I got their shampoo. But this smells so good. This smells like candy, smells so sweet. This camera battery is dying. Let me go get a new one. Hold on. Guys, I went to Jamaica and they were dancing to this song, and now it's like one of my favorite songs right now. No way, this camera battery is also dead. Okay, this camera battery is dying, but it is hot out here. It says it's 29 degrees, feels like 32, and I am sweating. But anyways, I'm gonna finish getting gas, and then I'll see you guys at home when we're barbecuing. My brothers have arrived. I got the speaker. Let's let the barbecue begin.
We're gonna apply the sauce that you're making, so you got to make your sauce real good. My thing's real good, but if your sauce ruins my thing, you have a problem still.
I'm on inside, got no stake in the ride. If I take pics with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces, cause the feds can't see those eyes. People I shouldn't be beside. When I was an actor, they would go Stratford just to sell food on Bieber's side. Plenty reasons why I'm this way, my girl, that's just one reason why. I seen you around that Soto enough, man, baby, you know about some idiot guys.
It's almost 10 o'clock at night now. I unfortunately have work in the morning, so I'm about to go shower and just tidy up my room a little bit. I also did not wash laundry this weekend, so what am I gonna wear tomorrow? I don't know. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I kind of just got the camera back and just wanted to start filming, so this is just like a little short vlog of my day. I have some videos planned, so definitely subscribe and be on the lookout for those. Also, if you have anything you want to see, make sure you comment it down below. Any video ideas or anything you want to see me do like in an upcoming vlog. But yeah, I'm about to go shower. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a like before you go. Again, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And I'll see you guys hopefully up next Friday with another new video. Bye.